Keep at your friends, and then they steal your food.
You can have it, you can have it.
Expensive cars in the world. $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1?
Hello guys, in the last video we did some of MrBeast's video editing tricks, and today we will do more of MrBeast's video editing secrets. But before we start, haven't you subscribed yet? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first trick is the drone, so I will be filming abroad, and you can call me Mr. B. MrBeast usually use drones in his videos, but my friend gonna do this mission. Hey bro! The second trick is the zoom in. Suddenly, add the clip into CapCut and go to the frame that you want to zoom at. Click on split and zoom the second clip. Don't forget to add an explosion to the video. The third trick is the challenges, so I asked my relatives to do that. The challenge is as follows. The player who get the pole first and hit the two bodies with it will win. And the reward is 100k. Huh? 3, 2, 1. No. Yes. He is the winner.
Yes.
The last trick is that MrBeast ends his videos suddenly.